Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Seller motivated. This 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom house is located just outside the city of Maypen in an area known as West Park Avenue. It is the perfect investment choice for one looking to live and rent in the same space. The house contains 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, kitchen, laundry, dining area, living area, and bonus storage room on one half, while the other half has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, and a kitchenette. The land area of this house is 10,500 square feet. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, main level entry, sprinkler system, family oriented and quiet area. The asking price of this house is Jamaican 17.5 million or US $114,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.